Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're making one of my all-time favorites, which is eggplant rollatini. And unfortunately, my mother, as much as I want her to be with us today, she's in Florida enjoying the sun. She called me this morning, she goes, it's chilly, it's 55 degrees. I went, Ma, it's 9. It's 9 here. So Ma, I miss you, I wish you were here. And my mother, she looks at eggplants like they're children. Did you see the beautiful eggplant I bought? Go in the fridge and look at it. Ma, I love you. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get everything ready. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients and then we're gonna get started on not just one, not just two, but 3 different variations of eggplant rollatini. Ingredients. As you can see, we're going to be making a lot of rollatinis today, and there's a lot of ingredients. And the first thing I have is my classic eggplant frying assembly line of flour, egg wash with a little milk. I got my Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. We're going to go back and we're going to fry the eggplant, and that's where we're going to start. Right here, I have that awesome 6-cheese blend. I love this blend, right? Let's see, it's mozzarella, it's Parmigiano, it's provolone, it's assaggio, it's fontina, it's romano. This is what I'm going to sprinkle on the top before we throw it in the oven. I got some fresh, large basil leaves. I have a tablespoon of pecorino romano, a tablespoon of grated Parmigiano. I got my fresh sliced prosciutto from the deli. I got a log of fresh mozzarella. I got 2 cups of ricotta, and I got the red gold, right? And the stars, the eggplants. Now remember, all of these ingredients are always listed in the video description box. Click to the right of the video, there's a little arrow, pull it down, it says video description. Everything will be listed in all its measurements, so you don't have to run out and grab a pen and a piece of paper. I'm gonna clean all this up, and when we come back, we're gonna be slicing our eggplants. Yeah. Okay. All right, everyone. First thing, I don't salt my eggplant for 2 reasons. 1, I think it makes it taste salty, and 2, the blood pressure, right? I try to avoid salt at all costs per my doctor. So, we're gonna cut our tip off. We're gonna cut our heel off, right? We're gonna get rid of those. Then, this is of course the sacrificial piece, right? The piece that we're not gonna use because of the end. And when I'm making eggplant Parmigiano, I take the skin off. For eggplant rollatini, I don't take the skin off. All right, so for people who have seen my eggplant Parmigiano video, yes, I do take the skin. Here I don't, all right? About a 1/4 inch is where you want it. Now, 3 paper towels, right? We're gonna line these up, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the paper towel method, okay? No problem with absorbing a ton of moisture just with paper towels. You really don't need all that salt, okay? So, what I'm gonna do, and you see how nice these are, my mother would say, nice, beautiful, look at how beautiful they are, right? I'm gonna cut all these, and what you do is, right, you get 4, then you take 1, 2, 3 paper towels, right on top, you get a nice press, and away we go. So, I am gonna cut both of these eggplants, get them all on our paper towels, and get them absorbing water, and we'll be back. All right, everyone. So, what I did was, this layer is the bottom layer. I flipped this over, okay? And what I did was, you see, I took the 3 paper towels and I flipped them over. You see the impression of the moisture from the first side, right? Now when we're done, super, super dry with no salt, okay? So, for those of you, look at the impression of how moist it is in there. How much water you got out with just the paper towels, right? So you really don't need salt, but this does take a little bit of time. You know, you gotta let this sit, flip it over. This might take 15, 20 minutes. But if you got high blood pressure like me, it's worth it. So, got my oil going. Shout out to the Tin Man there in the back. And now, the classic eggplant frying assembly line, right? We're gonna flour. We're gonna come into the egg. Nice. Now look at my mother's dishes. Aren't these things awesome? Like the little trifecta right there. We're gonna go right into the breadcrumbs. Right? And here we go. Nice. All right, into the flour. Dip down into the egg. Beautiful. Little drain over to the breadcrumbs. Ma, you really gotta buy me a set of these dishes. I love these things. Nice. Okay, and the third one, I don't think we're gonna get more than 3 in that pan. So we're gonna start with 3 and see how it goes. Nice. All right. Make sure you get all the top there. Beautiful. Rinse it out, and we go. Nice. Oh, look at that. Be lucky to get 3 in there. Hey, that's hot. Okay. There's a little space right there. Wow, we barely got 3. Okay, so when these are ready to flip, we'll be back. Okay, guys, no lie. 2 minutes on that side. A minute, a rotate, another minute, 2 minutes. That's it. Right? Method. Easy. Right? Look at beautiful. Come over, get your fork under, pinch it, nice. Right? Under, beautiful. Okay. That's it. Same thing. Minute, rotate, minute, we'll be taking them off. Okay, so in those 2 minutes, 2 things happened. 1, I rotated those, and 2, I got another round of eggplant ready to go in as soon as these come off. And of course here, a little mat under there. We're gonna do our drying, and then of course our rack to cool. All right? So, beautiful. All right? Over onto your paper towels. All right, there we go. Hey, that's a little hot, huh? Easy. Okay. Beautiful, right? Immediately take this, put it on. Let's absorb that excess oil. Right back over here. Start our next batch. All right, in. And there we go. Okay, and then these, just give them a little pat. Absorb that excess oil. All right, because you don't want them oily. 1 more. Nice. See how much you got? Man. And now onto the rack to cool. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then I take this, I back that up, and we're ready for the next round. So, guys, I got, I don't know, 4 or 5 rounds of eggplant to fry. So, I'm gonna do it all, and when we come back, we'll be ready to start making our rollatinis. You ready?
Yeah.
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Hi. All right, everybody, we're back. It took a little while, but as you can see, all our eggplant is fried up nice. A little piece, it's the bonus. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my ricotta, I'm gonna take my tablespoon of pecorino romano, my tablespoon of grated Parmigiano, and we're gonna mix this up, right? This is gonna be our ricotta filling for the ones that have ricotta in it, because some are and some aren't, right? So we start there, get a nice mix, all right? Beautiful. All right, make sure it's well incorporated. Nice. Okay, now, the next thing, I'm gonna take the red gold, and I'm gonna line the bottom of my pan. All right? Red gold, you know, I don't wanna have any sauce, gravy debates, call it what you want, I really don't care. No one else should care what you call it anyways, but it's not the way the world works. All right, good layer of the red gold, boom. All right, now, the first one I'm gonna make, right, is I'm gonna make prosciutto, right, 1 basil leaf, right, nice, oh yeah, and a piece of mozzarella, okay? We're gonna fold, toothpick, boom, right in the pan, all right. The next one, we're gonna do prosciutto, we're gonna do a basil leaf, right? And this one is actually gonna get a nice dollop of ricotta right on top of the basil there. Hey, a little more. Don't be stingy with the ricotta, right? And then a piece of mozzarella, and then we're gonna roll, right? Always keep your flap on top. This way you don't have a seam at the bottom. Toothpick. This one's gonna go on that side. Nice. Then we're gonna do a classic, right? Which is just ricotta, right? And get your basil leaf, yeah, and your mozzarella, and your fold. Nice, right? Toothpick over there. And this one's going to be on this side. So, there you have 3 different options. You can make these any way you want. You can make just prosciutto and ricotta with no mozzarella. Leave out the basil, leave out the mozzarella. It really doesn't matter. It's all to your taste, okay? But those are 3 great options right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll all of these, and once they're in the pan, we'll be back. Okay, everybody. As you can see, the pan is full. I got the prosciutto, mozzarella, and basil. I got it with ricotta. I got just ricotta, mozzarella, and basil. Then I ran out of basil, and I just had a ricotta and mozzarella. So, they're all set, and you can see I am going to take the red gold right on top, and I'm certainly going to use plenty. In fact, from the looks of this bowl, I'm probably going to need more, right? Because the last thing you want is for this to be dry, okay? And as you can see, I am going to need more. All right, lucky enough, I have more. And there we go, just like that, got a little extra red gold, right? All right, here we go. Nice. Always have a backup, guys. Remember that. Always have a backup. You never know when you're going to need a little more. Right? Make sure every one of them gets them nice and in between. Right there. Beautiful. Okay. Hey, back over here. Don't skimp. Remember, don't skimp. All right. And then the awesome 6-cheese blend. Here we go. All right. Now, I'm going to put this in the oven, 350, I don't know, probably about 35 to 45 minutes. I'll check them in about a half hour and see, but I would think somewhere close to 40 minutes will be good. All right, there you have it, guys. In the oven we go. And we'll see you in about 45 minutes. All right, everyone, here we are, the eggplant rollatinis, my favorites, okay? And you know, at this point, I don't even know which one I'm eating anymore. Ah, okay, this one's got prosciutto. Let's see what we have. Oh. For me, the prosciutto makes it. As much as I love the plain ricotta with the mozzarella, the prosciutto in there gives it just that little bite of saltiness. Ah, unbelievable. All right, I go back here one more time. Then we'll talk. I need one more. Ah, look at that. Guys, that's fantastic. I hope you tried these eggplant rollatinis at home. I'd love to hear which one is your favorite. If you like this video, please give it that thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as always, when you're eating your eggplant rollatini, don't forget to live, laugh, and cook Italian.